Bob Rakes with the 8K Association. I'm at NAB 2025. I'm on the Sony booth. Been enjoying their hospitality. Just before the show is opening, they're showing the latest new add-on for the Venice II system, which is a remote sensor. It has two particular interesting applications. One is just if you want to be able to move the sensor away from the camera itself, the camera body. So if it's in a difficult position, it's a very small sensor that you can put with a long, up to 40 feet, 12 meter cable to the main camera body. So that's really neat. But they're also showing it in a stereo vision mode, which makes quite a small head. The lens sensors are just 64 millimeters apart, they told us, and that allows a really simple creation of 3D content for VR applications. They're talking, of course, a lot about the Apple Vision Pro. Also on the booth is the Burano existing camera, which has had upgrades, and there's plenty of other developments here. We also had an interesting look at the virtual production area, where they're showing how the Sony Crystal LED can be used in virtual production applications. They claim to have a lot of installations already around the world, and I'm not surprised. The Crystal LED has been really one of the most impressive LED screens around the world for several years now, since its first introduction at Infocom a number of years ago. So Bob Rakes from the 8K Association at the Sony booth at NAB 2025.